11 largest and most powerful military transport aircraft in the world. Number 11. The Lockheed Martin C130J Super Hercules. The C130J Hercules is a 4-engine military transport aircraft. It is a comprehensive update of the Lockheed C130 Hercules with new engines, flight deck, and other systems. The C130J Super Hercules first flew on April 5, 1996, and entered service in 1999. The primary users of the C130J Super Hercules are the United States Air Force and the United States Marine Corps. As of 2023, 500 C130J aircraft have been delivered to 26 operators in 22 countries. The C130J is powered by 4 Rolls-Royce AE 2100D3 turboprop engines. Each engine produces 4,600 shaft horsepower. The C130J has a maximum speed of 440 miles per hour. The range and maximum altitude of the C130J Super Hercules vary depending on its payload and mission. However, with a full payload, the C130J has a range of over 2,417 miles and a maximum altitude of 40,000. The cargo capacity of the C130J Hercules is 127.4 cubic meters. This is equivalent to 79,438 pounds of cargo. The cargo compartment is 41 feet long, 10 feet wide, and 9 feet high. The C130J is equipped with a rear loading ramp that can be used to load and unload cargo quickly and easily. Number 10. The Shaanxi Y9. The Shaanxi Y9 is a medium-range military transport aircraft produced by Shaanxi Aircraft Company in China. The Shaanxi Y9 first flew on May 5, 2010, and entered service with the People's Liberation Army Air Force in 2012. As of 2023, over 100 Y9 aircraft have been built. The People's Liberation Army Air Force is the primary user of the Y9, with over 100 aircraft in service. The Shaanxi Y9 is powered by 4 WJ6C turboprop engines. Each engine has a takeoff power of 5,100 horsepower. The Shaanxi Y9 has a top speed of 410 miles per hour and a maximum range of 3,500 miles. It has a service ceiling of 34,100 feet. The Shaanxi Y9 has a cargo capacity of 55,116 pounds. The Y9's cargo bay is 50.9 feet long, 11.2 feet wide, and 7.2 feet high. Number 9. The C390 Millennium. The C390 Millennium is a medium-sized, jet-powered transport aircraft designed and manufactured by the Brazilian aerospace manufacturer Embraer. The C390 Millennium first flew on February 3, 2015, and entered service with the Brazilian Air Force in September 2019. As of October 29, 2023, there are 6 C390 Millennium aircraft in service with the Brazilian Air Force. The FAB originally ordered 28 aircraft, but this was reduced to 22 in February 2022 due to budget constraints. In addition to the FAB, the C390 has also been ordered by the Air Forces of Portugal, Hungary, the Czech Republic, and Austria. The first deliveries to these customers are expected to begin in 2026. The Millennium is powered by 2 International Aero engines, V2500 E5 turbofan engine. Each engine has a maximum power output of 37,000 pounds. The C390 has a top speed of 614 miles per hour and a range of 1,590 miles. The C390 has a service ceiling of 36,000 feet. The Millennium has a cargo capacity of 57,320 pounds. The Millennium's cargo hold is 60.6 feet long, 11.3 feet wide, and 9 feet 8 inches high. Number 8. Kawasaki C2. The Kawasaki C2 is a medium-sized military transport aircraft developed and manufactured by Kawasaki Aerospace Company. The primary operator of the C2 is the Japan Air Self-Defense Force. The C2 first flew on January 26, 2010, and entered service with the Japanese Air Self-Defense Force in June 2016. As of October 2023, 34 C2s have been built. The C2 is powered by 2 General Electric CF6 turbofan engines, each with a maximum thrust of 59,740 pounds. It has a top speed of 550 miles per hour and a service ceiling of 43,000 feet. The C-2 has a range of 4,722 miles with a payload of 20 tons. It has a cargo capacity of 83,000 pounds and a cargo compartment that is 51.5 feet long, 13.1 feet wide, and 13.1 feet high. Number 7. Airbus A400M Atlas. The Airbus A400M Atlas is a European 4-engine turboprop military transport aircraft designed to replace older models such as the Transall C160 and the Lockheed C130 Hercules. It is sized between the C130 and the Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. The A400M Atlas first flew on December 11, 2009 and entered service with the French Air Force in August 2014. As of October 29, 2023, a total of 119 A400M aircraft have been built and delivered to customers. The A400M is operated by a number of air forces around the world, including the French Air and Space Force, German Air Force, Royal Air Force, and Spanish Air and Space Force. The A400 Atlas is powered by 4 Europrop International TP400 D6 turboprop engines, each producing 11,000 horsepower. The TP400 D6 is a new generation turboprop engine specifically developed for the A400M. Aircraft has a top speed of 548 miles per hour, a range of 3,500 miles carrying a payload of 20 tons, and a service ceiling of 40,000 feet. The Atlas has a maximum cargo capacity of 83,600 pounds. Its cargo compartment is 58.1 feet long, 13.12 feet wide, and 12.6 feet high. The IL-76 NATO reporting name Candid is a 4-engine turbofan transport aircraft designed by the Soviet Union's Ilyushin Design Bureau as a commercial freighter in 1967. The IL-76 first flew on March 25, 1971. It entered service with the Soviet Air Force in June 1974. Some sources say that 860 aircraft have been built, while others say that the total number is closer to 960. The Candid is a very popular aircraft for both military and civil operators due to its versatility and reliability. The IL-76 is operated by a wide range of air forces and airlines around the world. The IL-76TD is powered by 4 D30KP turbofan engines, each with a maximum thrust of 26,500 pounds of thrust. The IL-76MD variant is powered by 4 PS90A76 turbofan engines, each with a maximum thrust of 31,950 pounds. The maximum speed of the aircraft is 528 miles per hour. The maximum range of the aircraft is 5,280 miles. The service ceiling of the Candid is 43,000 feet. The cargo capacity of the aircraft varies depending on the variant and the configuration of the aircraft. The maximum cargo capacity of the IL-76 MD-90A is 132,277 pounds. Its cargo compartment is 80 feet long, 11.2 feet wide, and 11.2 feet high. The Y-20 Kunpeng is a military transport aircraft developed by the Shaanxi Aircraft Industrial Corporation for the People's Republic of China. It first flew on January 26, 2013, and entered service with the People's Liberation Army Air Force on July 6, 2016. As of October 30, 2023, over 58 Y-20s have been built. The Y-20 is currently powered by 4 Russian D30KP2 turbofan engines, each with a thrust of 27,000 pounds. However, the Chinese government is developing a domestically produced engine called the Shenyang WS-20 to power the Y-20. The Y-20 has a maximum speed of 570 miles per hour and a range of 4,800 miles with a payload of 40 tons. Its service ceiling is 43,000 feet. The maximum cargo capacity of the Y-20 is 145,000 pounds. The cargo compartment of the aircraft is 151 feet long, 21 feet wide, and 14 feet high. The AN-22 is a heavy military transport aircraft designed by the Antonov Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. It has a unique wide-body design and is powered by 4 pairs of contra-rotating propellers. It remains the world's largest turboprop-powered aircraft to date. The aircraft first flew on February 27, 1965, and entered service with the Soviet Air Force in 1970. As of October 2023, the only known operators of the aircraft are the Russian Air Force and Antonov Airlines. The AN-22 is an aging aircraft and is becoming increasingly expensive to maintain and operate. The aircraft is powered by 4 Kuznetsov NK-12MA turboprop engines. Each engine has a maximum power output of 15,000 horsepower. The aircraft has a top speed of 460 miles per hour and a range of 5,000 miles. The AN-22 has a maximum cargo capacity of 176,500 pounds. The aircraft's cargo compartment is 110.6 feet long, 14.4 feet high, and 14.4 feet wide. The C-17 Globemaster III is a large military transport aircraft developed by Boeing for the United States Air Force. It first flew on September 15, 1991, entered service on January 17, 1995, and a total of 279 aircraft were built. Boeing manufactured the C-17 from 1991 to 2015. The United States Air Force is the primary operator of the C-17 Globemaster, with a fleet of 223 aircraft. The C-17A Globemaster is powered by 4 Pratt & Whitney PW2000 turbofan engines, each rated at 40,000 pounds of thrust. Aircraft has a maximum speed of 590 miles per hour and a ferry range of 7,170 miles. It has a service ceiling of 45,000 feet. The Globemaster III has a maximum payload capacity of 170,900 pounds. Aircraft's cargo compartment is 88 feet long, 18 feet wide, and 12 feet 4 inches high. Number 2. The Lockheed C5M Galaxy. The Lockheed C5 Galaxy, designed and built by Lockheed and now maintained and upgraded by Lockheed Martin, is a large military transport aircraft. It first flew in 1968 and entered service with the U.S. Air Force in 1969. A total of 131 C5 were built, consisting of 81 C5A and 50 C5B models. The C5M Super Galaxy upgrade program began in 2004 and is expected to be completed in 2023. As of November 1, 2023, 52 C5 have been upgraded to the C5M standard. The C5 is expected to remain in service with the U.S. Air Force until at least 2040. The C5 Galaxy is powered by 4 General Electric F-138 turbofan engines, each of which produces 51,000 pounds of thrust. It has a top speed of 532 miles per hour and an unrefueled range of approximately 5,500 miles with a payload of 120,000 pounds. The C5 Galaxy has a cargo capacity of 281,000 pounds and a cargo compartment that is 121 feet long, 13.5 feet high, and 19 feet wide. Number 1. The AN-124 Ruslan. The Antonov AN-124 Ruslan, NATO reporting name Condor, is a large, 4-engined aircraft that was designed in the 1980s by the Antonov Design Bureau in the Ukrainian SSR, part of the Soviet Union. It is the world's largest production transport aircraft and the heaviest operating cargo aircraft, behind the destroyed one-off Antonov AN-225 Maria. The AN-124 is the largest military transport aircraft in service. The AN-124 Ruslan first flew on December 24, 1982, and entered service with the Soviet Air Force in January 1986. A total of 55 AN-124 were built, with production ending in 2014. As of today, there are approximately 40 AN-124 in service, mostly in commercial use, with only a small number assigned to the Russian Air Force. Aircraft is powered by 4 D-18T turbofan engines. Each engine has a maximum thrust of 51,000 pounds. In recent years, there have been plans to replace the D-18T engines with newer, more efficient engines. However, these plans have been delayed due to the ongoing war in Ukraine. The top speed of the Condor is 537 miles per hour. Its maximum range is 4,500 miles with maximum payload. The AN-124 has a cargo capacity of 330,000 pounds in a standard military configuration. The Ruslan has a massive cargo compartment that is 118 feet long, 21 feet wide, and 14 feet high.